Welcome back, users and viewers and my friends. Let's start. Today in this video, we'll be learn how to check the duplicate entry. Okay, we are already in a process of how to create this one contact entry form we had completed in our last video. This how to add, and in after and before that we had created edit of the contact, delete, and all these eight functionality, sorry, it's get completed. Now we are going to complete add, but only one already we had completed, but only one thing is pending, is remaining, that is duplicate entry check. So how to do that? Listen, like what, like I had written here, just see, Sonali Vyas. Okay, so if I write again here, like Sonali Vyas, so it should be just validate. Okay, sorry, this entry is already exits, right? So in this video, we'll learn how to validate the duplicate entry. Okay, for this purpose, what we have to do, we have to just follow the instruction and follow and see the complete video. See this in while we do this add, first we generate here, after the append blank will be create here like a ln and a local, this is the uh, numerical variable rack number. Okay, so and rack number is the numerical variable, and if I will type here rack number. So what is the my rack number? Okay, so first I have to create. See this, what I had written in cmd add click, I had written L rack number is equal to rack number, but L rack number we have to be create in our load event. Okay, so in load event we'll create it, because what is the best practice, always create a public variable, okay, in a load event of the form. Okay, is the 0 default. Okay, so we had completed these best practices. In a load event we had created a this variable and default value is 0, and in add we had mark it here. Okay, suppose it is a append blank, so in append blank what is the current rack number? Okay, why it is I am doing so, because our form load we are using a buffering table. Okay, and we are using a control source property, in sense our table is constantly attached. See this, our table is constantly attached with our forms fields. Okay, so whatever we had written in this text box, this ultimately directly indirectly it is going to save in our table. So how to check it? Okay, whenever you, when your table is buffering, whenever you add a new records, is written a -1 less than 0, because still it is not get registered till until we had not passed table update. You understood? Table update, exactly. So in a table update, whenever we pass this statement, then the system will allot a proper record number. You understood? So that's why we had done what, just just after append blank, just take it a one rack number. Okay, and after that here, just see, in a double click here and just select here valid. What is the valid event? Valid means what? When we lost the focus, when we lost the focus. Okay, so here if seek means what, you know, hide and seek, so it's the seek, we are searching. Okay, so seek upper. Why I'm doing upper? Because I know it may be sometime user will type lower or proper case in any, so I'm searching constantly in a I can say in uppercase. See this, after seek upper value, and we had type table. Okay, so table alias name is my contact. Okay, my table name is contact, comma, and index name is full name. So confirm it whether it is same or not. First we modify use contact. Okay, and modify structure. See it in indexes. Yeah, full name it is there. Okay, Okay, how to check the indexes? Indexes check in, open a user table and then modify structure and go in index. Okay, so here you can see this full all the index statement signatures. Okay, so okay, there is no any problem, we found our index. Okay, now after that, here if L rack number, we compare it. Okay, rack number of contact, because as I had marked, I had run the seek command, my cursor will move to at the bottom. Okay, so I am searching my record number. If it is not equal to n rack number, if it is not equal to n rack number, confirm it. This is a variable name. Okay, great. Again check it, cross verify, and rack number. Then we come at here and rack number, then we pass a message. Okay, what we'll pass a message, what message box name already exits. Okay, and we pass 16. Okay, is the 16, and then add, stop, duplicate entry. Okay, duplicate entry, that's it. Okay, and after that we'll move this record to actual. See what is happening, understand again. Suppose my whenever I suppose in this ad I mark it here append blank, then I receive the current rack number is giving back, is returning a value of current record number. So what I am searching here, if my rack number, okay, it is not equal to rack number, in sense what, my cursor is find out there's the same kind of text in another any other record number. So if it is not equal to current record number, then we'll find out, okay, it means already record is exit. If it is a not exit, then that record number, this record number contact, okay, is equivalent to this, then it means it is a single entry. Okay, so I am doing the reverse kind of thing. If record number contact not equal to n record number, in sense what, it is already exit, then what to do, go record number again. Okay, I move my cursor back to that, and this form refresh. Okay, and then return false. Okay, then and if and return true. Okay, why return false? Because name already exits. Okay, that's why return false, otherwise return true. Okay, now let's, I hope it will run. Okay, see this ad, now I am writing Sonali Vyas. Okay, see this name already exit. Okay, now suppose if I write here, what, suppose Ram Naresh, if I am going to write this. Okay, add Ram Naresh Vyas. See this, it is showing, it is not exits. Okay, now see this again, I am writing like Sonali Vyas again. See this, it is name already exit. So I think so you understand what I had did completely. Okay, so please share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.